人要不喝酒，百来世上走。
哇，热气腾腾。
This is a small Dai village on the China-Myanmar border. There are about 200 people living here. This is one of their house. 美好家园, a wonderful homeland. It means fortune thrives, wealth thrives, and luck thrives. In this village, whenever someone gets married, it's a big deal for everyone. The wedding lasts for 2 days. The guests include relatives, friends, and the workmates of both the groom's and the bride's families. The preparations are going on smoothly. The village head has already assigned tasks. Everyone in the village has their own job, except the old folks and the kids. Even though there are a lot of people and a lot of work, everything is well organized. 这是今天早上新宰的猪肉。It makes me think of how bees and ants work together. The Dai ethnic cuisine has unique cooking methods. Trying those dishes has become a challenge. The biggest challenge must be sa pie. When slaughtering a cow, carefully preserve the undigested grass and other contents in the large intestine. Then mix them with some seasonings like lemon juice, crushed peppers, and garlic. These seasonings not only balance the unique flavor of the intestinal contents, but also add a fresh and spicy taste.
蘸那个调料，嘴巴张大一点啊，不要喘气，稍微有点苦，你吃到肚子是回甜，到酸辣为止，你细细的嚼，它蒜的味道马上就在你的喉咙上震开释放。
là bát đêm văn ni phăng to bỏ tổ phơ ná mày chung phu dòng kinh mi tăng sen xin đòi đúng mày nhu tung nè bia ơi văn mi tăng hột xa cây son sa mà hôm tê nên đọt đầu tăng ni năng mà khắp cùng giàu pi nòng mi tăng giàu cáp hun tung to sen lệ quay khắp sen bán lệ ọt
我不太喝酒，我不喝酒，我不喝酒。
来，我们这边要搞一小口嘞，
搞一小口，一点点，一点点。
2两酒漱漱口。
一两都不够。够了，够。This liquor is more than 20 years old.
酒吧一起喝。
哇，后劲好足啊 ！Extremely strong.
人要不喝酒，百来世上走。酒是粮食精，越喝越年轻。
Thai people like drinking very much. They kept toasting and urging me to drink. I was already drunk during the lunch on the first day.
比茅台镇的还要好喝。
Not good at drinking. Now I'm a bit drunk and I don't know if I could film this afternoon. It's the first day. Only the people from the groom's village gathered for the meal. The second day is the busiest and the grandest. Early in the morning, the villagers started having breakfast, and what was coming up next will be a big challenge. The most commonly eaten breakfast by the Dai people is rice noodles. And you can choose various seasonings according to your own taste. chili is not a must, minced meat is not a must, but a cell phone is the must. I didn't use my phone while having the meal because I was using it to shoot videos. They set up the tables. The roads in the village are lined with dining tables and benches. When all the guests have arrived, there won't be an empty seat. Hundreds of tables and thousands of people. Guests coming. Go啦，少一点，少一点，少一点。
老板。
FYI, they're not gays. Chinese men show intimacy this way. The bride came to the groom's village and made kowtows to the elders. The newlyweds offered toasts to the guests at the banquet. To be honest, I am deeply touched by this scene and the atmosphere. So many people, they are volunteers, they working together happily for the same goal. This is probably the charm of tradition.